Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss how SolvPro handles scheduling of work on a recurring basis. We're on the schedule page of the application, and on the left-hand side here, you can see two unscheduled jobs, work order number 1035 and work order number 1036, which lasts for 1 hour. Now, if we want to assign that to Chase at 9 a.m., we'll see it automatically pulls in the correct duration of 1 hour, but it's only going to be for a single event. So let's click on it and open up the menu here, and we will select the reschedule or edit button, which then opens up a menu where we can make all of the necessary adjustments for who's assigned the work, the duration of time, and then at the bottom here, you'll notice an option to repeat. Never, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. For demonstration purposes, we're going to select weekly. And now because this was already scheduled on a Monday at 9 a.m., if we were to hit save, it would automatically schedule it every Monday at that same time. But if you wanted it to happen maybe on a different day, not on Monday, but on Wednesday or on Wednesday and Friday, you can make that adjustment here. And then if you wanted it to end after a certain number of visits or occurrences, you can make that adjustment here. Or perhaps you want it to end at a certain date, the end of the month, maybe the end of the quarter or the end of the year. You can also select that option here. If you also want it to happen, this event to recur, not every week, but every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks and so on, you can make those adjustments. And these same flexible tools can be applied for the other options as well, daily, monthly, yearly. So this highlights just some of the powerful ways that you can use SolvPro scheduling. There's a lot more options, but we'd love to answer any questions that you may have. Also, you can find out more information yourself by going to solvpro.com. But thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.